Welcome to my RC deals page, and I'm going to show you why I do them first of all. Basically, GearBest send out loads of spreadsheets to reviewers. As you can see, they cover everything in here, and it goes on for literally pages and pages and pages. You've got all sorts of things. You've got electronics bikes, you've got outdoor knives, vacuum cleaners, all sorts of things. You do have an RC page, but even that's not really easy to understand. Literally, it's all over the place. Some of it's in Chinese, some of it's in English. It's, a real nightmare to actually scan through. So what I've done is nick the bits that I think are of interest to people who watch the channel, and I've put them all on one very simple spreadsheet to use. So this is what I've done here, and you may notice I've actually put a couple of dates in here now. This is new. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to keep making these videos when I see some new deals, unless there's some really super deals. Obviously I'll always come and share them with you, but what I will do is update the spreadsheet. So all you need to do is just keep this link to this spreadsheet somewhere on your system, or if not, I'm going to pop it at the bottom of most of my review videos, and then you can just jump across, have a look, see if there's any new deals that are of interest to you. I'm going to show you how to use this. At the top, this bit probably won't change unless they bring out more pages, and the websites are just crammed full of so many pages. It's so confusing. I mean, they've still got Black Friday deals going on. They've probably got Easter deals going on one page, but I haven't managed to find that one yet. All these down here are URLs. Let's say we go for the RC quadcopters, the promotion new bit area interests you, or RC car promotions. All you have to do is hover over whatever URL you're interested in. A hyperlink will appear. Left button mouse click on the hyperlink, and then that gets you in directly to that page. You don't have to hunt around their website or anything. As you scroll down, you will get menus come up. Sometimes there's menus on the left as well as the right, and then you'll have all your deals coming up as you go through. The menus are great if you want to just jump through to a bit. So say you want to look at RC boats, RC robots, jump into there, and then you're directly into that area. But there's pages and pages of these, literally. And what I've done is just pick out a few of the best pages, I think. These last two down the bottom here give you discount codes for anything that's a non-sale item. So included in the RC, they stick RC with toys as well. I don't know why, they just do. Anything that you find in this page and you've got a non-sale item, simply use this code at checkout and you'll get a 6% discount. And site-wise, again, use this one, click through, and then have a hunt around the site for clothing, knives, whatever you want to buy. Anything that's non-sale item, copy and paste this in, and I'll show you how to do that in a second, and you'll get 5% off any of them. On to the daily deals, or they're not always daily. Sometimes they come up once a week, and sometimes I'm not going to be putting them up every day, I can assure you. It's just going to be when I get time to do it, but they really only take me a couple of minutes, so there's no real excuse, I suppose. Up here you've got flash sale items, so all you have to do is pick the item that you're of interest to you, hover over the URL again, left button mouse click on the hyperlink, and it will come through at their flash sale deals. Now, I don't know why they have these coupon codes, because I don't know why instead of having to pay $88.99 you can get it for $85.99 only with a coupon code. If you click through, it will come up at $88.99, and I don't understand why they don't just have it as a flash sale. I have asked them, and they haven't really answered me. They just said that's the way they do it. And you can't find these sometimes on hunting around in Google, where sometimes the best deals aren't always there. So again, why not? They're trying to flog items. Just get out there and flog them. Put them up at the cheapest price you can. Don't have these hidden discount codes. But it's the way it works. So I suppose it helps me make a video for you and helps me share this stuff with you. So there's lots of deals going on. When you see a code here and see the two prices, that means that this is the advertised price and this would be the price you would get it out if you use these codes. The way to use these codes I'm going to show you on this one here, but this isn't the best deal out there. I'm going to show you a much better deal for exactly the same quad, and on the channel I am honest. If I see stuff that isn't a good price, I'll try not to put it up, but like I say, I can't check every single thing that comes through. I'm going to come over here to this Helifar B3, and this is the code I need to copy. So I'm going to left button mouse click on there, right button mouse click, and then copy it. I'm going to use the URL like I said before, and left button mouse click on here, and that brings it up as a flash sale price of $188. So what I'm going to do is add this to the cart, and then come up and view your cart. And as you can see, they've already added the shipping guarantee. I always have that, even if it's on very cheap items. I always have it because you've got something to come back on. I'm going to left button mouse click in the promotion code area, right button mouse click, and then paste it. We get that Helifile B3. Apply that, and it's dropped it by $32. So we've got it at $160, and that includes the shipping guarantee as well. But like I say, I've got a much better deal in here for you if you're after this sort of quad. Now, the Helifile B3 is exactly the same as the Bugs B5. Exactly the same. They've just changed the top very slightly on it. And JJ RC, JJ Pro, the X5 is exactly the same as the Bugs B5. This is a built-in deal, and I've highlighted it in yellow. Anything I see as a built-in deal, I will highlight for you as well. There are some other ones in here, but I'm just concentrating on this one for this particular video. All you have to do is hover over the URL again and left button mouse click to click through. Now, bear in mind, this is exactly the same quad as we were just looking at for $155. The other one did have 2 batteries. So if I click that onto 2 batteries, you see we're still getting it at $130. So this is a much better deal, honestly. But an even better deal on it as well is if you want a bag with it and 3 batteries, always worth having extra batteries, you can get it for $155. That's sort of what we were playing for 2 batteries, but now we've actually got the 3 batteries and a bag. So really good deal in there. I love these quads. They're really nice. Exactly the same, like I say, as the MJX Bugs B5. So that's how we use that. I hope you've enjoyed that. And like I say, I'll be updating this, and then I'll just put a hyperlink to the spreadsheet in description of my reviews. And then you can come back and have a check up for any new deals that have come out and I've managed to share with you. Do hope you've enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next.